This USB drive is completely empty. No files, no folders, everything's gone. Let's say it had important stuff, your school project, family photos, work documents, and now it's just blank. Whether it got corrupted, you accidentally deleted the files, or formatted it by mistake, you'd think it's all lost. But it's not. Here's how I'm going to recover it using Wondershare Recover It. This software is made exactly for situations like this. USBs, hard drives, SD cards, SSDs, even if your system crashes, it can still recover data. It supports over 1,000 file formats and works with almost every storage device. I'll download it from the official site and install it. Only takes a few seconds. Once it's open, it shows all your drives. I select the USB drive that looks empty and hit Start. Recover It begins scanning the drive immediately. It doesn't just look at what's visible, it searches through the deep layers of storage to find files that were deleted, lost, or damaged. Even if the system can't read the drive, Recover It can. Recover It starts by scanning the raw sectors of your drive, bypassing the file system entirely. It looks for file signatures, reconstructs file headers, and structures from fragments, and maps them back into usable files, recovering data even from corrupted or formatted partitions. It's designed to work even when traditional recovery tools fail. After the scan, it shows me everything it found: photos, videos, PDFs, Word files, even stuff I forgot was there. I can preview each file before recovering it, just to make sure it's not corrupted. Then I hit Recover, pick where I want to save the files, and just like that, they're back. And that's not all. Recover It can recover from external SSDs, formatted partitions, recycle bins, even video cameras or crashed Windows systems. It's one of the most complete data recovery tools out there, and it's surprisingly easy to use. So if your files are gone, don't panic. Wondershare Recover It can bring them back. Link is below. Check it out and give it a try.